Hello there, travelers. This is Kemp and Cliff, and I'm coming from inside of my fifth wheel trailer. I want to talk to you about something that I purchased. It's a made by All Top. It's a 4x4 accessories. This is a air compressor that I, like I said, just purchased. So comes in a nice travel bag right here. A couple of handles on it. Pick it up, and let's take a peek and see what's inside. Here you have the second owner's manual along with some attachments. There you have it. It shows it's 150 psi air compressor, owner's manual. Tells you the specifications on it. Tells you the warranty, thermal cutoff and circuit breaker protection it has, the maintenance specs, operating instructions. See what else we have. Oh look, perfect. These are some ends and attachments for, looks like you can fill up, a football or soccer ball and whatnot. And then also attachments for rafts, floating stuff for the beach. And this attachment here is for the hose as well, that you can hook these attachments to. And it has a clamp, so you can clamp it on the valve stem. Here's a hose that comes with it. It has a cover for the gauge. It has a quick disconnect on one end that will go to the compressor. And then on the other end, we have the attachment for the valve stem. Now this can be a screw-on type here, or you can put this attachment on. You can put the attachments here, any one of these three, or you could hook it up this way if you want to be able to just clamp it on your valve stem. Well, that's nice. Do either or. Gauge goes up to 150 psi. And let's pull it out of the bag. Look at that. Here's the connectors for the 12-volt battery clamps. Pretty good and sturdy. Cord. And here's the units. Put the front over here so you can see it. There's a voltage DC 12 volt, 13.8 volts, maximum pressure 150 psi, amperage 45 amps, airflow 200, and it's just some information on the motor. As you can see, this is a one chamber, one piston unit. This is where the hose goes on this end, over here. And then it has a circuit breaker, it looks like right here. Press and hold circuit breaker. Reset. So it has a nice little handle, metal, it has rubber feet on the bottom, probably for vibration, which is nice. And it has an air release right here, pull out. And again, it's product from All Top. So it's not really heavy, but it feels really sturdy. It feels like a good product. I'm going to, next stage, put it to the test. Let's put some air in one of the tires and let's see how it works.
Hey there, travelers. This is Kemp and Cliff coming back at you. I have the air compressor lined up, and we're going to give it a test and see how it works. And as you can see, I have the hose to the back tire of my fifth wheel. It's the back of the fifth wheel. Back tire, we got plenty of hose, looks like. And there's the box it came in, bag it came in. And I have it stretched out here towards the front of the fifth wheel. There's the compressor right there. As you can see, the wire long enough to go into the battery, no problem. So, we're going to put to the test, see how it goes. Start it up. Okay, so I went in and pumped 10 pounds in a matter of seconds. I mean, it went so quick that I didn't want to put too much. This thing's rated at 80 psi, and I want to say probably right around 70 psi all the way around. And it did it very quick. I'm going to put this gauge on it. It's a 70. This has a gauge on the hose too, and it said the same thing. So this thing in my book, give it a thumbs up. These air compressors that hook to your battery, if you're on the side of the road or whatever, you hook it to the battery right in the front of your camper, RV, or whatever you have, fifth wheel like me, and definitely give it a thumbs up. I'm going to have some air compressor products down below in the link. If you click the link below, and this may be something that you need for larger vehicles. Again, this thing's dynamite. I love the way it works. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll bring you more good items. Happy trails.